Hi, everybody. Today is, yes, it's working. Today is Monday, February 22. Let's practice the long A sound. So, what is the name of this letter? A. So the name is A, right? For example, we say A, B, C, D, E, right? So that's the name. What is the sound? The first sound we learn is the sound ah, right? Before in other classes you learned a, ah. For example, a, ah, apple, ah. Like apple or like a, ah, right? Ah, like cat, ah. Cats, right? Ah. That's called the short A sound. Ah. A, there's there's a long A, and we studied before, right, with A, E. So, um, for example, we have, oops, can, right? I can, for me, I can speak Spanish. Yo hablo español. Puedo hablar en español. Right? I can speak English. I can speak English, right? I can speak Arabic. أنا أتكلم عربي شوية. Can, right? It's about what can you do? For me, I I can drive a car. I know how, but I don't have a car. But if I need to for emergency, maybe yeah, I know how. I can. So can is like know how. I know how. I know. I learned, right? I learned English. I learned English at home, but I learned Spanish at school and I learned Arabic at university. Can. So this is short A. Ah, right? A, ah, can. Long A, one way is like this. Cane. 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 One example of cane. Cane is like a stick. The meaning is like stick. It's like sugar. Sugar cane. So for example, right, there's sugar. You get it and you can open it and right, you can eat it. It's very sweet. Yeah, sugar cane. Cane. Right? So A. The long A sound is like the name. A. And one way is letter E. Cane. Now, there's one more spelling for A. Long A. Sometimes some words have AI. And this can be the long A sound. For example, rain. Rain. So there's two ways to make long A sound. There's more, but right now we are studying two. One way is with E at the end, magic E, silent E. Cane, right? Can, cane. Another way is rain. AI, right? Rain is a good example. We don't say, right? We have ran, ran, But AI, no, the sound A, long A. Together, we don't say I, A, no. It's just one sound, A, like the name. A, rain, ran, rain, right? Rain, it's water, rain is coming, rain, rain. Okay, let's look at more words with AI. The sound is A, long A. All right. So we have number 1 here. Wait. Wait. Right? Like, don't go, stop. Wait. Rain. Right? Water. Ah, it's raining. Not snow, but rain. Pain. Oh, right. Oh, it hurts. I have pain. Today, before class, I had pain in my head. I had a headache, head pain. And I took Tylenol before class because I had pain. Hair. Hair. Right? Hair. I don't have hair. Right? Hair. I don't have. I am bald. No hair. Jail. Jail. The police put people in jail. It's not a good thing. It's sad. Jail. Train. Train. Yeah, and in Cambridge there's the red line train, and the green line train. For me, I live in Jamaica Plain by the orange line train, by Forest Hills train. In America, people use trains in Boston and New York, but not in some other big cities, but not so much. But some countries, they have lots of trains. Chair. Chair. For me, I have a white chair. Can you see my white chair? This is my white chair. I sit in my chair for work. Chair. And last one is stair. Stair, the meaning of stair is in the house when you go up, you have a stair. Usually we say stairs, more than one. Yeah, if you live in an apartment, right? For example, before I lived in an apartment with no elevator, and I lived on level 3, so I have to go up the stairs, walk, up. Yeah. Do you have stairs in your apartment or house? Or do you have an elevator in your apartment? Okay. Let's look at some pictures and find the meaning. Or find the word, I should say. What word? What are they doing? Right? Is it wait, jail, rain, train, pain? What are they doing? Yeah, wait. Yeah, wait, right? They wait for the bus. Yeah. Wait. Oh, what's happening? What word? Yeah, rain. Rain, right? This is rain. Ah, it's falling like it's raining. Ooh. What do you see? What word? Yeah, pain. Right, he has pain. Maybe in his shoulder or back. Oh, he has pain. Yeah, pain. Oh, what are they doing? What do you see? Yeah, she's doing her hair. Right? We have the word wait, rain, pain, hair. Right? She's doing her hair. We can call this braiding, right? Or twisting her hair. Yeah. We can say doing also. I do hair. She does hair. She's doing her hair. Oh, where is this? What do you see? Doors, and they have cages like this. Yeah, this is sad. Right? It's jail. Yeah. This is a jail. What do you see? Yeah, it's a train. Right? Train. Yeah, it's a train. Maybe in New York. I don't know. It's raining. Maybe New York. Silver train? I don't know. Oh, what is this? What do you see? It's a chair, right? Yeah, it's a chair. Yeah, it's a chair. And last one. A stair, right? They have stairs, usually plural. One stair, but here, no, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 stairs. There's a big stairs in a big house. That's it. Watch the video again. Watch the video again and practice. Practice speaking. Chair, stair, train, all of these. Okay? Good luck.